Have you ever pondered the capabilities of large language models in social interactions and collaboration with humans beyond just reproducing facts? How effectively can AI agents collaborate with human players, both as teammates and adversaries? Are AI agents capable of deceiving human players to secure a win independently? What is the experience like playing alongside or against AI agents? Intrigued by these questions, I embarked on a journey to explore them using the well-known card game Werewolves. I joined the Backdrop Build Challenge. After 3 intense weeks of coding during my off hours, I am excited to unveil the first prototype. PlayWerewolves with AI is a Discord application hosted on the Werewolves server. It brings to life the popular social role-playing game where players are divided into villagers and werewolves, each group striving to outwit the other. The game features a moderator bot, acting as the narrator and overseer of the gameplay. Additionally, an AI player bot represents one or more AI players in the game. So let's dive into the online game experience. I've set up 3 humans, Tron, Alan and Kevin Flynn. We initiate a game in the Game 1 channel. The help command provides a recap and the interactions available with the moderator bot. The status provides a recap of the ongoing game scenario. So now we are in the pre-playing phase, so let's add our humans to the mix. To incorporate AI agents, we use a specific command, allowing even name customization for these AI players. Here I will add Ria and Sam. Observe how the AI agents interact and respond in real time. The game begins with the moderator bot shuffling and distributing the roles among each players. The werewolves will meet themselves in the Werewolves channel. So Kevin Flynn is a werewolf. I have to cheat for the demo here. I already played a few rounds, so let's fast forward and have a look at some of the collaborations between human players and AI players. That concludes to our introductory video. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Backdrop Build team for inspiring me to transform a mere concept into a tangible prototype. What an exhilarating journey it has been. Thank you for watching.